Welcome back, Sacred Family. Today we'll be going over how to speed ramp inside Premiere Pro. There's definitely many ways that you guys can speed ramp inside Premiere Pro and After Effects. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple way, kind of like a beginner speed ramp type of video. With that being said, if you guys new to the channel, make sure to subscribe button down below. We're dropping tutorials every single week. Hit the notification bell, you guys don't want to miss out on any video. And also hit the like button down below, guys. It really helps YouTube push my video out to other content creators as well. It's free support, not paying me a single dime. So if you guys are really part of the Sacred Family, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button down below. With that being said, let's hop straight into Premiere Pro. This is the clip we'll be working with today, guys, inside Premiere Pro. It's a 60 frames per second video on a 60 frames per second timeline, so make sure you guys have those settings correct. First thing we want to do is you want to find a spot in the clip we want to slow down. When you put your arms up right here, we're going to press C to cut the clip up. We're going to cut it. I'm going to press back on that clip. We're going to right click. We're going to go to speed duration. We're going to set that to 50. Make sure right here you guys select optical flow, and what that's gonna do is it's gonna blend the frames together better. Press OK. For the slow part, we leave just a little bit, then we're gonna go back to C. We're gonna cut it up. We're gonna press on that again. We're gonna right click, go to speed duration. This time I'm gonna bring that speed to 200. Now when he goes like this with his hands again, we're gonna press C, cut it up. We're gonna right click again, go to speed, change that back down to 50. Now we play it back. Something like that. Let it play out. Right here, we'll cut it up again, change this back to 200. This is what we're doing throughout the whole time, guys. This is pretty much like a beginner way on how to speed ramp. Right here, we'll cut it up again. Right click, speed, bring that to 50. Now we play it back, we have something like this. But now we're gonna do a little speed ramp transition into another clip. Right here, we'll press C to cut, bring this back to 200. Press C, we'll cut it right here. I'm gonna find another spot that we could transition into in the clip. I'm gonna transition into this part right here, so we're gonna cut the rest of that part up because we won't be needing it. Let's bring it in. As you guys can see, it speeds up right here. So the first part of the clip right here, we're also gonna speed it up. It's already at 200, press OK. So we're gonna press C, we're gonna cut it right there. We're gonna go back to speed, we're gonna bring it down to 50. It's good enough right there. Go back to C, cut it up. Speed duration, bring that back to 200. This is what we're pretty much doing the whole time, guys. This is how you can speed ramp. Now when we play it back, we got something like this.
Exclusive.
From this clip into this one, we're gonna add a little transition to spice it up a little bit. We're gonna go to the project panel, we're gonna go to new, adjustment layer, press OK. Go ahead and throw that on top of the two clips. Go to the middle where the two clips meet up. Press in the adjustment layer. You go ahead and cut the rest and bring that into the middle of the two clips. Let's cut the adjustment layer down a little bit. Just like that. We're gonna go to effects in our presets. We're gonna search up brightness and contrast. Throw it on top. We're gonna keyframe the brightness at the beginning at 0. Go where the two clips meet up. Let's bring that brightness all the way up to 100. Go to the end, back down to 0. Bring this down so we can see what we're doing. Then we're gonna press Alt on our keyboard on the adjustment layer, and we're gonna bring it up just like that. We're gonna press Alt, bring it up one more time. So now we have 3 of them. And when we play back, we have a transition just like that, pretty fire. And now when we play it back, we have this speed ramp right here. Fire. Some things to keep in mind, guys, is make sure you're shooting at 60 frames per second when you want to speed ramp, so it looks very butter smooth on your timeline. With that being said, that's the end of this tutorial. If you guys learned something new and you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button down below. We're dropping tutorials every single week. Hit that like button if you support my channel. If you're part of the Sacred team, hit that like button. Don't forget, it's free support, guys. It really helps my channel grow. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.